Meet Frank. Frank joined Acme Corp straight out of university. After 25 years of service, he becomes an integral part of their operations. Everyone at Acme Corp depends on Frank's knowledge and guidance. But now Frank wants to retire. And everyone's wondering what they'll do when he's gone. But Frank's put his time in, so now he's off to enjoy his retirement. The trouble is, nobody knows how to fill the Frank-shaped gap he left behind. Somebody needs to step into Frank's shoes, but nobody has the experience to take on the task. Projects are falling behind, outsourcing tasks incurs unplanned costs, and quality issues are abound. Now customers are losing faith in Acme Corp. But it didn't have to be like this. Acme Corp had a problem to solve when they found out Frank was going to retire. When employees have the kind of knowledge and experience that Frank has, they can be practically irreplaceable. TECHNIA's Simulation Centre of Excellence provide world-leading analysis and simulation expertise in coordination with automated process planning and support that can help fill your Frank-sized knowledge gap.